everyone and welcome back to my new vlog. Currently we are in Venice, if you can see behind me, and I came here yesterday because my friends had graduation, so it was a very nice occasion to come back to. So basically one of the main reasons that I went to Venice is to pick up my diploma that I forgot to show you. So here it is. My master's diploma came faster than I expected actually, because I waited for my bachelor's diploma for 2 years and this one was ready after 3 months. So thank you, Yua. So here it is. It says Laurea Magistrale in Architettura. That's it. And now I want to go back and enjoy a bit of Venice and remember my life here. But already I feel a bit sad, so... Look how nice our view is. So we're going to have dinner now. Smell. Good morning everybody and welcome to Lago di Garda. Now the rain vacation starts and honestly I can't wait to dip in the lake. It's cute. We're at the beach currently, so let's go.
So cute.
Our last breakfast in Lago di Garda for this season, right? Yeah.
Wow.
So that would be it for this video. This day ended a bit earlier because we need to leave and I have a flight to Madrid tonight. So I will see you in my next vlog from Madrid the next time. But I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog from Italy and I'm sending you kisses. Ciao! See, your finger is on the camera.
No, it's
I
not.
see it. Come now, like. So we're going to have a dinner now, and of course what? Our last coffee, and no, that sounds like we're dying.